So this is my Rubix brand Rubik's Cube, and I learned how to solve this using the beginner's method, which basically has to do with solving the cross on one side, either white or yellow, white or yellow normally, then doing the corners, then doing the edges over here, then solving all of this side. What I'm going to be teaching in this video is how to solve the white cross. So let me just mix this up a little bit. Just like whatever. So let's see. Let's solve the white cross, which is normally what you find in most videos. To solve the white cross, which is the same as any other side, you have to try and put white edges, which are these pieces, the ones that have two sides, to all face with the white side up, and have this color matching the color beneath it. For example, in how this one is, you can easily just move this twice, and it'll go to green. It works like that because blue is on the opposite side of the cube as green, and it will always be like that. Same with red and orange, and yellow and white. So if you move this twice, like this, which is called a U2, then white and green, right? Yeah. Next, you try and find another white edge with any other of the three colors that you need. For example, this one. This one is in a very easy spot to plop in because all you need to do is move this once. Since this is already connected to the right color and white is over here, if you twist this, the white will come up. Okay? Now, this red is in a two-move position because white is directly opposite from here, so you can just do this and you can have it in, but then it would be the wrong color. And to move it to red, it would take one move, like that, and then you can just move it twice like that. So to set it in, you would connect it to red and white on the bottom, or right over here, or right over here, however you have it. And then you would just move this front face until the white comes up. And this is still all correct. See? Now all you need is this cross. So you find another edge, which is over here, which is just like before. You just move this twice, just like right after you move it. And then there's your cross. These you don't need to worry about because you're not in the right spot for now, but those you can always do later. So if I mix this, and I go to the white side again, this is another easy spot. There are no other whites here, so this is the first white that I found, white and red. If you move this up, then it still is connected to white, but it's not connected to red anymore. So what you can do is move it this way, and then it will be connected to red. And the same logic can apply to other things. Like, for example, if this cube needs to be all the way over here. So what you can do is you can move it to one side, so that you can then move it up. But when you move this so that this can connect, this one is now not with red. So what you can do is move it one this way, actually, one the other way, since you know that blue is supposed to be over here and red is over here, you can move it over here so that it's the same connection as here. They're still right next to each other on the left side. So then you can move this counterclockwise to move it up. Now both of these are just one move away from being connected. Now another one, this orange one. You could do something like this, move it away, move it like this, and then bring this back. which was what I was showing before. But an easier way is just, since this has to go right up here, you can just move it to either side. It doesn't matter, because either side that you put it, it'll still work. I'll just move it to the right side as an example. Then you can bring this middle piece down, slide the orange piece in, and then move this up. Now you have 3 of these solved. But if you can't really move the middle side very well, the other way to do it is just like before. Like this. I move this, since this has to be right here. When you move this here, you slide it into the position that it has to be compared to red and to blue. And once you move that back, it's right there. Now you got green. It's in a very easy position where you just move it twice. Okay? Yeah. And normally, wherever it is, the easiest way to do it is to do it in under 8 moves, which is what normally you can always solve a cross in. For example, one move can either be this or it can be this. So let me try to do that. So this is one move. Now green is over here. Now if I move it this way, that's 2 moves, and I already have one side of this correct. Now this orange is over here. So if I move this twice, which is my 3rd move, move this over here, so that's in the same as this, in the same connection, so that's my 4th move so far. Now, if I find the other edge over here, I can move this twice to plop it in so that this and this and this and this are in the correct relationship. Then once you move this back to how it used to be, all 3 of these match, which is now, I think, my 6th move. Now once you move this in, that's my 8th move. And all of these are connected. If I do it a little bit slower and explain, here. So now, this one goes here. One move and it's in. Because it was over here, all I need to do is move it like that. Now I have this orange over here. So now I do, so that this and this is where the orange needs to go. So since this and this have to have the same relationship, I do like this, which is now my 2nd move, 3rd move, 4th move, and put it in. Now I have halfway done. Now I do this, which is now my 5th move, and now this is connected. Now my 6th move, to be able to put this in, then slide this away. See, under 8 moves. Normally under 8 moves, sometimes 8. Alright? Yeah. In the next video, I will cover how to put these corners in using the beginner's method. And then the following, how to put these edges in. Then have this as a cross, and then putting the corners in the correct position. Okay? And then for that, all you need to know for this entire method is a minimum of 2 algorithms. Or to do it easier, you can learn 4 algorithms, which are very simple sets of moves. Like for example, this, 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 and this. So that will be covered in the next video. So until then, see ya.